Now we are going to start topic layers of the earth. The earth is made up of 3 concentric layers, just like an apple. The outermost thin layer is known as crust, middle part is known as mantle, and the innermost part is known as core. Now, first part, that is crust. It is the outermost layer of the earth. Its thickness is different from on oceans and continent masses. On oceans, its thickness is 5 kilometers beneath, and on continent masses, its thickness is 35 kilometers beneath. It is divided into 2 parts. According to that, as I have told you that its thickness is different on oceans and continent Mars. According to that only, it is divided into 2 parts. One is oceanic crust and second is continental crust. The main, as I have told you, the crust is divided into 2 parts, and that parts are oceanic and continental. Continental crust is again divided into 2 parts, that is silica, sial and sima. 2 names are there, sial, SIAL, and sima. Sial is made up of silica and alumina, and sima is made up of silica and manganese. These are the 2 types, and its name is because their material of composition is different. Oceanic crust mainly is having sima, and continental crust is having sial. The crust, the upper part of the crust is known as lithosphere. The upper part, the land area which we can see, that is known as the lithosphere, and it is almost 100 kilometers thick. Second layer of the atmosphere, the middle one layer of the earth's interior, is known as mantle. It is about 2,900 kilometers thick, and it is the dense layer or dense part of the earth. It is again divided into 2 parts. One is upper mantle and second is lower mantle. The mantle is mainly made up of solid rocks, but there is molten magma present in this layer. The temperature of this layer is almost 2000 degrees Celsius. Third layer of the earth's beneath is core. This is the innermost layer, and the thickness of this layer is 2,400 kilometers. It is composed of iron, nickel and sulfur. Again, it is having 2 layers, outer core, inner core. Outer core. The temperature in these 2 layers is different, and lots of difference is there. Outer core. the temperature of this layer is very high. It is 4000 degrees Celsius to 5000 degrees Celsius. As we have discussed earlier, the temperature of mantle is 2000 degrees Celsius, but outer core's temperature is 4000 degrees Celsius to 5000 degrees Celsius. Due to such extreme heat, the minerals present in this layer are in liquid form. They are present minerals which are present in this layer, they are in liquid form just because of the temperature, very high temperature. Second is inner core. The temperature of inner core is minimum temperature it is 4000 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature is 7000 degrees Celsius. And with temperature in this layer, pressure is also present and it is pressurized from all the sides as it to the center. Iron and other metals cannot melt in this inner layer. Here I am just telling you, central part or the innermost layer is not liquid, because in that layer with temperature pressure is there. Just because of that, iron is not melt and the composition of innermost layer is solid, but the outermost layer, outer core, it is in the liquid form. So it's very interesting that the very inner part where temperature is 7000 degrees Celsius, that is solid, and where the temperature is 4000 degrees Celsius, that is liquid. And the innermost part is solid just because of the pressure. The pressure is also present in this layer. These are the three layers of the interior of the earth, and after that tomorrow we will be studying about earthquakes and volcanoes, and these two are also originated in the interior of the earth because of the forces which are present or the working in the interior of the earth. Thank you. Have a good day.